Human rights are fundamental rights inherent to all individuals, simply by virtue of being human, regardless of nationality, sex, national or ethnic origin, color, religion, language, or any other status. They encompass a wide range of freedoms and protections, from basic necessities like the right to life, liberty, and personal security, to the right to education, work, and a fair trial. The concept evolved from ancient ideals of natural rights to modern international declarations and covenants, with landmark cases shaping their interpretation and application. Meaning of human rights. Human rights are universal, inalienable, and indivisible. This means 1. Universality. They apply to everyone, everywhere. 2. Inalienability. They cannot be taken away, except in specific, legally defined situations. And 3. Indivisibility. All human rights are equally important and interconnected. Evolution of human rights. The concept of human rights has evolved over centuries. 1. Ancient roots. Some trace the origins to ancient civilizations like Cyrus the Great in Persia, who, after conquering Babylon, freed slaves and declared religious freedom. 2. Enlightenment era. Thinkers like John Locke articulated the concept of natural rights, life, liberty, and property. The American and French revolutions championed declarations of rights. 3. 19th and 20th centuries. The rise of legal positivism challenged natural law theories. The horrors of World War II led to the establishment of the United Nations and the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, UDHR, in 1948. And 4. International law. The UDHR, along with subsequent international covenants and conventions, established a framework for the protection and promotion of human rights globally. Examples of human rights. Civil and political rights. Right to life, liberty, and security of person, freedom of thought, expression, and religion. Right to a fair trial, freedom from torture and slavery. Economic, social, and cultural rights. Right to work, education, health, and an adequate standard of living. Landmark cases. 1. Brown vs. Board of Education, 1954, ruled that state-sponsored segregation in public schools was unconstitutional, violating the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment. 2. Roe vs. Wade, 1973, recognized a woman's constitutional right to privacy, which includes the right to an abortion. And 3. Miranda vs. Arizona, 1966, established that criminal suspects must be informed of their constitutional rights before being interrogated. These examples illustrate how human rights are constantly being interpreted, expanded, and enforced through legal and social movements. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, share, and comment.